y'all. Hey, I am fashionably grateful and I'm here with another styling haul, y'all. My styling haul is on Walmart clearance rack items. And I'm getting me some coffee right now, y'all. I'm thirsty. I really need some water, but I gotta get to the store to get me some because I don't drink out the faucet. Yeah, that's that's good. Okay, so listen, with the cost of eggs and everything else rising, we probably need to cut back somewhere, right? I don't know. I know I do. But here's the thing, all stores have a clearance rack, right? And today I'm going to style one clearance item for you in several different ways, okay? So there really ain't no excuse. You can be styling no matter how much money is in your wallet, right? I'm about to show you how to do it. So I am styling a dress from Free Assembly, right? And it's pretty versatile, so I'm gonna show you how. Um, Free Assembly, they have like sustainable living type of clothing, investing in better cotton. And by choosing our cotton products, you're supporting Walmart's investment in Better Cotton's mission. This product is sourced via, y'all, this is so small, via a system of mass balance, and therefore, I hope that's what this is saying because literally it don't make sense what I'm saying. But anyway, Free Assembly is the brand that's in Walmart, and this is a size double XL, which is a 20 plus size, and it is the Free Assembly SL cable mini dress. Okay, yeah, it's dope. I love it. First of all, I love a mock neck that's like dramatic, right? Here it is right here, and it's super stretchy, like super stretchy, four-way stretch, right? So it don't even matter like where you maybe packing a little bit more. It's gonna stretch all the way around for you, up, down, sideways. It don't matter, right? The cable knit is in the front. There is nothing in the back, but it's still this thick, soft sweater material, right? And I just love the design. It's cute, right? So let's put it together, okay? Let's start with number one. All right. So first, number one, I am starting off with just the basic, okay? Wear it how it is. I got on some leopard print shoes. I got these shoes from Macy's for like $3. And the reason why I got them for like $3 is because I went to that 5 a.m. Black Friday sale this year. This past November Thanksgiving, the day after Thanksgiving. I went to their Black Friday sale and it was $3 because they had them marked all the way down to like $13. And then they gave me a $10 coupon or gift card as I walked in the door. So there was that. So I got them for $3 and that's how she wrote. And they're cute. The quality is like bomb. Let me grab them. Oh, you know what? I already packed them up. Yeah, so the quality is like bomb, okay? And then you can just style that with the dress with a basic pair of heels, black, red. You know what would be cute with this color? Do y'all think teal would be cute with this color? Like a really rich teal color, leather? Heels, right? Pumps. I thought that would be super dope, right? So that's one way to style it, just as basic as possible. One thing about me is I don't wear a whole lot of jewelry because I lose it. One day I'm gonna grow up and I'm gonna start wearing real gold and stuff like that, and I'm not gonna lose it. But I got this stuff from Shein, y'all. All this Shein, $1 and some change, $1 and some change, maybe $2 for these bracelets that came as a set. Not the watch, but the bracelets, right? They very cheap as far as the way they feel. They definitely sound cheap, but I mean, for $1, what do you expect? But they still, to me, in my opinion, look very good. It can make an outfit look really put together if you don't do too much. The next way I would style this is I would add a pair of jeans and just some tall tan boots to match the sweater, or even like some tall black boots. Don't have to match the sweater. And then if you put a black belt with it, and maybe even these earrings will still go with it, since it has black in it, you good to go there. That's another style that I had.
Okay, so just for reference, the belt also came from Shein. It was like $2. Probably, yeah, $2 and some change, more than likely. The jeans are Ralph Lauren Polo. I got them from the Ralph Lauren Polo factory outlet years ago. I'm sure they were less than $20. And then the boots that I got came from Forever 21. Yeah, you have to pretty much wear these boots with jeans because they will fall down if you do not. Like if you don't have some type of fabric that's keeping them held up, you can even tighten them up. But even without any jeans or anything like that, they still fall down even when they're tied up. And these boots came from Forever 21. They were on sale. They had a gang of them. This was like a year or two ago, and they was only $15. I did also snag a pair of black as well, just so I can have these type of basic boots that I could wear comfortably over jeans or denim or whatever you want to wear them under, because wear over them, because they definitely will hold up the whole time. You can see the straps hanging. I don't know why I didn't notice that they were hanging, but yes, these boots are very convenient for wearing over clothing. So yeah, $15, y'all. Y'all, your girl be saving some money.
Okay, I like rain boots. I have a pair of Burberry rain boots, and I have a Burberry bag. And the Burberry check pattern. Why not put it with this $10 dress, y'all? $10. It don't say $10 on here. It says 28, but I'm gonna give you a link. The dress is $10. It's less than $10. It's like $9 and some change. So I paired it with this, and y'all know those tights that went crazy on TikTok? The ones that looks like they see through, but they really not. So you walking around here looking like you ain't got no clothes on, but you really, really do, because the thirsties really can't see through it. So you don't have to worry about nobody seeing your business, right? But if you wear those with the dress, because the dress is a little short, but for me, I'm okay with short. But let's say you're not, you can put on those tights with the dress. Let me give you the real reason why I put the tights on. My Burberry boots are too tight and they're hard. Let some sweat hit my leg and them Burberry boots get stuck on. I'm trying to get them off for days. So I put those tights on so that they'll slide right off. And it still was a struggle, so don't get me wrong, but I got them off and we got action now. So I wore the sweater cable knit dress, $10 dress with a $400 pair of Burberry rain boots and a $700 Burberry bag. So it's just definitely a way. The cable dress doesn't look cheap. You know what I mean? So it definitely comes together, right? It's cute to me. There's several different ways that you can wear this. You can wear it with a blouse. I have a bubble sleeve white blouse that you can put up under it, and that's another way that you can wear it. But the other way that I wore it is I had to go to Shein because I wanted this mesh see-through leopard print onesie, jumpsuit, whatever you want to call it. It zips up in the back. I wanted to try that on so bad, and I was like, what better way to pair it than to pair it with this? Now, I bought it specifically for this dress, but y'all, it don't match. It's off just a little bit, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna risk it because maybe my darker skin will make the print a little bit darker since it is mesh, right? It's alright. Y'all tell me what y'all think in the comments. I paired it with some red shoes. Now I forgot my red belt because I'm at home. Don't get me wrong, but I'm in the clubhouse in my apartment complex. I'm not going up them 3 flights just to get that one red belt. I need y'all to close your eyes and imagine a red belt cinching in this outfit and matching these red shoes. Okay, that's what I need you to. I need you to focus and imagine that because I forgot the belt. Another way to style this is with a pencil red skirt. And y'all, I really needed to have my red belt with this because it makes it make sense. So I did try by putting the skirt up into like a belt to hide that it was a long dress. I didn't too much like that as much, but just wearing the red belt around the dress and then matching the red skirt and then matching the red shoes would work. I did not try it on with the red shoes because I forgot the red belt. So I just tried it on with the leopard print shoes. So I hope it's dope. I hope you like it. It's alright to me, but it's another way to wear the outfit, right? Can you name another way to wear this cable knit dress? Do you think you can? Would you get this for $10? Now y'all keep in mind it ain't gonna be that many left. It's not, because it sold pretty well. free assembly clothes do sell pretty well. So you might not be able to get it in your size. I apologize for that. I came to the party really late with the clearance items, but keep in mind, clearance is going to be like your last options anyway. But right now, we need to be paying attention to clearance, okay? Go ahead and run through Walmart clearance section because they be having some little gems in there that definitely are dope with these outfits. But I really appreciate you guys watching. And like I said, comment below which outfit is your favorite, and also let me know what you would do with this cable knit sweater. Would you style it up, or would you just be like, I'm gonna leave that in the store? All right, let me know what you think. Okay, bye bye.